going on, you? It is your boy DS Dan. I am back again with another one for you guys. Take a look. We got the Air Jordan 5 Concords on deck. Yes, that's right. These are set to release sometime in August for a retail price of $200. About to give you guys a detailed review on the on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. Before we get into this video, all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, also click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop videos like these. Big shout out to my people over at Chicago EMPORIUM. Their link will be in the description, man. You need sneakers, go check them out. They will take care of you. These are cool, real clean for the summer. Definitely a cool summer shoe. We got an Air Jordan 5 Concord purple color on here right now. Let's get straight into this review. Take a look at the box. You got that Concord purple Jumpman on the front of the box. Jordan 6 box, 5 box. Open up the box. You got your regular paper in there. Take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 5 Retro. The colorway is white, dark Concord black. All white leather upper. Now the leather is not the greatest, but it's not bad either. Start off with the outsole. You got your translucent outsole, purple Jumpman, Jordan in the bottom with the black. Coming up over here, you got a black midsole with the shark teeth in the purple. All white leather upper, like I said. You got your clear netting. Doesn't come with any extra set of laces or nothing. Front of the toe box, I'm gonna show you guys when I push in. The leather's soft, it's soft. It's not the greatest leather, but it's not that bad either. You know what I'm saying? It's just like a smooth white leather. Going up, you got your white laces. Take a look at the tongue. Of course, that tongue is in 3M, stitched in with the purple Jumpman. You got the lace lock in the purple with the clear one holding it. Let's get to the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral. Black on the midsole with the purple. All white leather upper, white netting. Show you guys the inner sole. There you got it, all purple inner sole with the white Jumpman. And it is a pretty soft inner sole. When you get to the back of the shoe, you can see you got the purple Jumpman with the black and the white. Looking very, very fresh, I must say. Air Jordan upside down in the purple with the white tag. Sock line is in that purple. And that is basically it for the Air Jordan 5 Concords. This Concord purple is pretty dope. It's a little vibrant, you know, gives a nice little pop. You guys like them, definitely pick them up. They're gonna release sometime in August. When I do know the actual date that they're gonna release, I will put it in the description. And if you guys looking to get these, man, go check out Chicago EMPORIUM. They might have some pairs for you right now. You can hit them up. They'll take care of you. Tell them I sent you. And yeah, man, I don't think these will have any resale. This is gonna be just a shoe that if you wanna wear it and look fresh, that's what these are for, all right? These are not gonna be no resale shoe, none of that. All right, now as for sizing on Jordan 5s, I do recommend you go true to size, you'll be good to go. It's your boy DS Dan, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that thumbs up for your boy. Subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. Follow Chicago EMPORIUM. And we're about to get into this on feet. It's your boy DS Dan.